Hello students! It's me again, Teacher Mary. And for today's discussion, we will discuss the three measures of central tendency. These are the mean, the median, and the mode. Let us start with the mean. The mean is the average of the data set. To find the mean, you have to add all the numbers in the data and divide it on how many numbers present. For example, we have the numbers 4, 7, 7, 15, and 12. So to find the mean, first we have to add all of these numbers. So 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 15 plus 12 is equal to 45. And then divide how many numbers are there. So 4, 7, 7, 15, and 12 is 5. So 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. So the mean or the average of these numbers given is 9. Next is the median. The median is the midpoint or the middle value of the data set when arranged in order. The arrangement can either be ascending or from least to greatest or descending from greatest to least. In finding the median, there are two cases. First, the data set is odd. So basing from the previous example, we have the numbers 4, 7, 7, 15, and 12. So to find the median, the first step is arrange the data set in either ascending or descending order. So let's just say that we arrange the numbers from the least to greatest. So we have to start from 4 followed by 7, then 7, and then 12, then 15. So the midpoint is the middlemost number. So we have to locate that from our arranged data. So the middlemost number here is 7, which will serve as our midpoint. The second case is that the data set is even. For example, from the previous one, we have added number 5. So, the first step in finding the median is that we have to arrange the data set in either ascending or descending order. So, for example, let's just follow the pattern from the odd data set. So, we have to arrange the data from the least to greatest. So we have to start the same from 4, followed by 5, then 7, then 7, then 15. So in finding the middle point or the midpoint, we have to locate it. In this case, we have an even data. So we have to locate the two numbers which are the middle of the data. So in this case, we have 2, 7. So to find the median, we simply add the two middle number and then divide it by 2. So 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So our median is 7 in this case. And the last measure of central tendency is the mode. So the mode in the data set is the value that appears most frequent. So the data set can either be unimodal or contains one mode, bimodal or contains two modes, trimodal or contains three modes, or multimodal which contains more than 3 modes. So, from the previous example, where we have numbers 4, 7, 7, 15, and 12, our mode is the 7. It is called unimodal since it appears most frequent. And that's it. As a recap, so we have 3 measures of central tendency: the mean, the median, and the mode. The mean is the average, the median is the midpoint or the middle value, and the mode is the most frequent occurring number. And that's it. I hope you learned something in this video discussion. Again, I am Teacher Mary and may God bless you all. Bye, students!